In this video, we will learn how to install the current Python version on Windows 10. With that, we will also run a sample Python program. Let us start. First, go to the web browser. On Google, type Python and press enter. On hitting enter, the official website is visible. Click on it. Here is the official website, python.org. Now keep the cursor on the downloads menu and the current version will be visible. Click on it. On clicking, we can see the current version downloaded, that is Python 3.14.5. We have downloaded the current version. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. Here is the setup. First select use admin privileges. After that select add Python to path. Then click customize installation. Here optional features are visible. It will install pip, which is a package manager to download, install and manage Python packages and libraries. It will also install idle, which is an ID to run Python programs. Keep it as it is and click next. Advanced options are visible. Select install Python for all users. Python will get installed in the following location. Click install. The installation started. Let's wait. Meanwhile, you can also refer to our free 6-hour Python tutorial. The link is in the video description. With that, we have also added free study material. We have installed Python. Click close. Now let us verify. Go to start, type cmd, click open, type the command python -version and hit enter. If the following is visible, that means we successfully installed Python. Let us close this now and open IDLE. I hope you remember we installed this, that is idle. Click open and now we will run our first program. Here is IDLE. So let us print something. To print in Python, use the print method and within that mention what you want to display. So let's say I just want to print my name. Now when you press enter, the output will be visible. That is, my name is visible here. You can also save this. Go to file, click save as. Let's say you want to save it on the desktop. Give a name to the file. Let's say my file name is demo now. It will automatically add the .py extension, that is the extension to create a Python file. Click save. Now here is a demo.py. So for a free Python tutorial, refer to the link in the description of the video. We have also added free notes. Thank you for watching.